Hello, this is John Bagwell, and welcome to today's training, Forum Guest Posting. Now, if you want to do free advertising, then this training is for you. It is extremely simple. All you have to do is put in the time every day to reply to specific posts in forums. Now, I belong to 3 forums: Black Hat Forum, Warrior Forum, Digital Point Forum. Now, you could just, as an example, type in your niche and the word forum on Google search, and it'll list the forums for your niche, and all you have to do is apply to those forums. It's that simple. Here's how it works. So let me bring up blackhatworld.com. Now, I just replied to a specific post by this gentleman over here, and I replied back and I said, I've never had any project I uploaded a Filmora 9 to be slow, not to mention it's easy to use whether you're editing, green screening, or letterboxing. And there's my website for my sales funnel to acquire their name. Now, some forums you could put the link directly in the post, but this particular forum, it's right here. If they're interested in what you have to say, they just click on it. You do this all day long. You want absolutely free marketing? You just work the forum guest blogging angle all day long, day in, day out, for 4 to 8 hours a day, and you will have leads come in and you will make money, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing and your sales funnel is hooked up to a specific affiliate marketing offer. You're going to make money. I mean, you just have to put time into forum guest blogging. It really is simple. You don't have to type very long, unlike when traditional blogs you're writing 2,000 words or 600 or 1,000 or 5,000, and you have to create backlinks and all this other stuff that you don't have to get into with forum guest posting. They're interested in what you have to say, boom, they click your link. It's that simple. It's very effective, but it's time consuming. So if you have a zero budget and you want to make money online, then this is a specific marketing method that you can pursue and make money online. It's that simple. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the training lesson. I'll see you in the next training video. Thank you.